Hello guys. As you can see, there is a new locomotive in my vast collection. The ALC-42 number 300. So yeah, in this video I'm going to be reviewing it, comparing it to other locomotives in my collection, and just a summary of if you should get it or not. First things first, let's look at the thing in general, give a summary. It is a ALC-42 made by Siemens Mobility, and overall this is a very, very, very detailed model. And they range from around 250 to 300. I actually managed to get mine for free. From one of my fans gave me one for free. And if you're watching, thank you so much. Yeah, it is a super, probably my most detailed model. Even with those little holes on the wheels. Legible writing. That is some of the smallest I've seen, not the smallest. It's in a beautiful Phase 6. Tons of detail. Very, very, very good model. Now, let's get to running it. Okay, start it up. Yeah, that's some good sound. See, lights up. Very, 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 very cool. Love the sounds. Give it some power. See? Beautiful horn. Just power it off there. Accident. Yeah, beautiful horn. Even got some marker lights. See? Isn't that cool? Marker lights. Yeah, I love the idling sound. It's actually my first DCC locomotive. Yeah, it has a speaker on the bottom. See? Right there. Now it's got its headlights back. So yeah, there she goes. So yeah, let's give it some cars now. Yeah, I just gave it a semi-realistic consist. Oopsie. Yeah, I gave it a semi-realistic consist. With, the viewliner, with viewliner baggage and then 2 superliners. So, semi-realistic, because usually it wouldn't just be carrying 2. So yeah, let's give it a couple runs around the layout. Beautiful idling. There she goes. With her beautiful consist. Just in time there. So yeah, overall, I highly suggest you get this model. Highly. Bachmann, I used to kind of have mixed feelings on, but now I think I actually kind of like them after I got this model. Probably just because it's my first DCC model. That's probably partially why. Now let's compare it to my P-42 DC. This is an Athearn. Oh wait, it's plow. How did this happen? I left you for like 5 minutes alone and your plow broke off. How did I not notice that? Yeah, so let's compare to this Athearn model. This is a model of a P-40 DC. I weathered it myself, and it's okay. It had no interior, which was kind of disappointing. But again, it was kind of a budget locomotive, only being around $90, which is expensive, but yeah, it's pretty good for a locomotive. So I wasn't really expecting it to be like extremely high quality, but like, you know. So yes, this Athearn, in my opinion, Bachmann, when it comes to locomotives, well, I've only really had one Bachmann locomotive, so I really don't know, but as of now, I think I'm a Bachmann guy. So, yeah, crazy to think how much my mood has changed. So, yeah, that's about it for this video. So, yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Astro Brady out.